How to use Fotor for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use this app. First of all, open the application. So basically we're in this home section. Here there are different sections that are available. So this is the place where you can find or edit your photos and different videos. Now if you slowly scroll down, here there are different filters and trending ones that are available. Now in order to edit or simply make different changes in your photos and videos, here simply tap on this edit button. So now we're in this editing platform. Here you can choose the photo or video that you want to edit. So this is the place where you can make different changes in the photos and videos. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize. Here you can even find different tools that are available. So it's up to you and the way you want to make changes in the video or the images. At last, you can simply save it and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you